Hello everybody, it's John from Go Kart Daddy. Today we're looking at the XL BERG crankshaft. This is what's fitted on the bigger frame BERG go-karts, and we now have a kit that you can repair the bearings inside this crankshaft. As before, if these wore out, you had to buy a whole complete unit, which is very expensive. This kit also fits the older AF hub. It's the same bearings. So what you get is you get two bearings, circlips. You have to reuse your old spindle because that part we can't get, but provided the ends aren't rounded off and nice and square, you should be good to go to use that again. You have to reuse your old dust covers, but the bearings do come with dust seals in them, so if your old dust covers are a bit worn out, they'll still be okay without them. Yeah, but this is a new kit we put together. Also comes with the crank pulling tool, so you can take your crank arms, your pedal cranks off easy enough, and that's all in one kit we've made up. And this will save some money if you have problems with the pedals on your XL go-karts.